Hello viewers, in this video we are going to bust some myths about the space. Let's start. There is no gravity in space. Maybe you might have seen videos of astronauts on the International Space Station floating around like swimmers in the starry sea. And mostly this leads to people to think that there is no gravity up there. But in fact, if there were no gravity in space, it would not be possible for astronaut or satellite to orbit the Earth. And we know, as per Newton's explanation, gravity is a mutual attraction between objects that has mass. Like we here on Earth experience gravity as our weight, the attraction between us and the Earth similarly, when a rocket in space carrying astronauts still feels the pull of the planet's gravity. No matter whether they are gravitational relation with objects from distant planets and stars. In the space station, astronauts look and feel weightless because they do not feel the Earth's gravitational force as on firm land. You might also experience weightlessness for at least a moment if you are being in a descending elevator that is quickly dropping below your feet, but it is fallen small interval which they experience the whole time.
The sun is yellow. If we ask anyone to draw a sun, they would quickly reach out for the yellow color crayon. It seems normal because we have been using it since we were young. We see the sun yellow thanks to our atmosphere. Even in the photograph, the sun appears yellow because the astronomers actually modify the color to be more recognizable. However, the color of the sun is white. Regardless, we are not led to know the sun's color by only seeing it because we can tell it from the temperature of, like in the Kelvin scale, if the temperature is low, the color is either brown or dark red. And for nearly above 10,000 Kelvin it's blue. The sun with a temperature of almost 6,000 Kelvin, the sun is weathered in the middle, giving it a distinct white color. Sound in space. In movies we get to hear sound in space. It hears that if you are spending fortune on filming a dramatic death or explosion, we definitely want the audience to hear it. However, space means no atmosphere and therefore there is nothing for the sound waves to travel through. This isn't that we will not be able to hear sound nowhere other than our planet, then it's wrong. If we find any other place with an atmosphere, then there will be sound, but will sound a bit weird. For example, on Mars, sound will be higher in pitch. To fly through the asteroid belt. To get to Mars or beyond to Jupiter and onwards, we have to pass to a region of space that has large number of rocks, or even known as asteroid belt. That sounds dangerous, at least to some sci-fi lovers. But in fact, we have sent numerous successful missions to study the outer solar system. At the extreme speed of tens and thousands of miles per hour, spacecraft doesn't need to hit an asteroid and wreck. However, navigation and tracking the asteroid belt in our solar system is just a piece of cake for us. However, there are many asteroids which are in the belt, but these are incredibly far apart, thousands of miles away from each other, and the chances of hitting one of them are in 1 in a million. The Great Wall of China is visible from the moon. The Great Wall of China is maximum 9.1 meter, 30 feet wide, and most of its length is of the same color of the surrounding. Because of the soil and rock from nearby places, we cannot make out where is the Great Wall of China. And if you would like to see the wall from the moon, we would require a spatial resolution of 17,000 times better than a normal human vision. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe and wait for the next video. Until then, expect beyond science.